Ever felt your business is stuck despite a flood of clients and revenue? Let's talk about a tricky phase many of us, myself included, find ourselves in more often than we'd like. Loads of clients, a steady stream of revenue, it feels good. But here's the kicker. So what if all this is happening, but you're not growing? It's a trap, and many fall into it because we're so caught up in the influx of clients that we overlook a critical aspect, retention. In this phase, it's easy to become overly comfortable thinking all is fantastic with new clients pouring in. Yet, the reality is a bit harsher. Clients and revenue are slipping out the back door. We're not paying enough attention to client retention, and our excitement about new client blinds us to the fact that growth is stagnating. This tricky situation is what experts call the Velvet Rut. The Velvet Rut is when your business has been welcoming great clients and revenue at the front door, but unfortunately, things are slipping through the back door, and growth is at a standstill. I've been there, and I know the frustration. The good news, there's a way out. To break free from the Velvet Rut, it's critical to shift focus toward client retention and establish a robust plan. If you're intrigued and want to learn more about how to keep those hard-earned clients and supercharge your revenue, I've got you covered. Check the link in my bio for a free training session dedicated to client retention strategies. It's an opportunity you won't want to miss. Just click the link and we'll meet you there. Let's bid farewell to the Velvet Rut and usher in a new era of growth and success for your business. I'll see you in the training.